Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 8th, 2023. Here to talk about Chargepoint today to see if this particular stock is now a buy. We may begin to see Chargepoint price soar. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick on the video. But first, as I always do, I come through and I show you all the performance of the stock price against what we initially thought was going to happen. We did a price prediction in Chargepoint going all the way back to the 17th of January 2023. You guys can see at that particular moment we were bullish. We were looking for the market in Chargepoint to go up, and we really wasn't that bullish. Like, we wasn't giving you all a target of like $16 for the market in Chargepoint to run up to. Our ultimate TP price was around 14. Now you guys can see that we had two opportunities, or at least the market in Chargepoint had two opportunities to try to hit that $14. It attempted it on the 2nd and the 3rd of February. And then it attempted a second time on the 15th and the 16th. Needless to say, we were in the vicinity as to seeing the high into the market in Chargepoint, because following February, the market price in Chargepoint has not hit 1350 since then. Okay, so there were opportunities for us to bag some profit into the market in Chargepoint. It just didn't have enough gas to hit 14. And it happens. So you'll have to go back and see that video to see where my other targets were at. But if anything, you could at least gotten 14.75% out of this prediction. All right, so that is through. That is over. Let's get back to where we are at now in Chargepoint today. So we need to change up this price chart because we have a lot more information, i.e. price bars, that we can follow to get an idea as to what to expect now. Because initially we were expecting the market in Chargepoint to trade within these two lines. I'm going to take this first one down here at the bottom and utilize it for support. Okay, so this is where the current area of buyers are currently residing in Chargepoint, all the way down here. This second line we're going to use for our downtrend. Okay, we're going to use this line as a downtrend point just in case we are looking for Chargepoint to go up. This area would be a problem for the buyers right here. This is going to be a problem. Okay, so we definitely want to put that line in place so we won't be surprised if Chargepoint gets hung up on the descending line. Okay, so let me go ahead and fix this line down here, because this is where the buyers currently hold price at $8, and this is where the sellers are coming in. Great. Now let's look at this on a different time frame on the 2-day chart. Okay, so this is the completion of the 2-day price bar right here. Okay, now so far it looks pretty good. My only concern that I'm telling you now in Chargepoint is right here at $10. So when you look at these 4 2-day price bars, right, 8 days total right here, for some reason price cannot break above $10. Now what would be the reason? There's only two types of energies that you can have in the stock market: buying it or selling it. That's it. So if we can tell that price in Chargepoint began all the way down here at $8 and it ran all the way up to 10 and it gets hung up, something is stopping it from moving higher. And what is it? Yes, sellers. People are here at $10 selling. That is why price in Chargepoint is currently unable to break above $10 right now. That's the only concern that I see that is stopping this market from soaring, from really going higher. Keep that in mind, because even though this is the completion of this 2-day price bar, look at where the market closed. It closed off the highs. So there's still sellers in the market in Chargepoint. Here it is on the 3-day chart. So when you look at these 3-day price bars, we got this indicator of strength. Okay, but then we saw the market get rejected at $10, came down, and then the last 3 days the buyers came in and fought against the sellers and was able to push the price right back up to 10. Okay, cool. This is the reason why we're anticipating that the price in Chargepoint is going to go higher. Now, Soar, I'm not going to say that. I can't say that the price in Chargepoint is ready to soar, but it's definitely trying to go up. Okay, here it is on the 5-day chart. Weekly, 2 weeks, 3, and 5. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and expect the price in Chargepoint to go up. My first target is going to be here around $10.50. Second target will take us to this descending line, maybe around 11. And then third target is going to be like $11.25. Okay, so let me put this back on the daily. And let's put those on the chart. Because I said that first target is going to be at 10.50. Okay, so you guys can see the 7.47%, $10.50 there. Second target is going to be around 11, which is 12.59%, or right here on this descending line. Okay, that's what I'm looking for in the market to try to run as a second target. Then my third is going to be at $11.25, which is 15.15% there. So now give me your thoughts. This is what I'm currently looking forward to in Chargepoint. It's your turn now. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.